All right, darlings, I'm going to do a comp track for you so you can begin improvising over the changes in the song Spooky. And the two chords are an E minor 7 and an A. And each one is a measure. And what we are doing for this exercise is just using the notes in the chord as the basis of improvising. You can play them any way you want as long as you stay in the pocket. All right, and here is our tempo. So a 1, 2, 3, 4, A7, E minor, now we're going to do it again. E minor, A7, E minor, 7, A, E minor. Last time. Strum, 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 strum. When you finish your solo, we're making a transition between doing an instrumental and going back into where we're really multitasking and we are doing the melody and the rhythm and the harmony we're singing. So let's put this in context. Let's take it from stanza 2. We're going to do the instrumental. We'll just do the instrumental as written, and then we'll get into stanza 3 so you can see how this fits together. So here we go. Starting off with You Always Keep Me Guessing. 1, 2, 3. You always keep me guessing. I never seem to know what you were thinking. And if a fella looks at you, it's for sure your little eye will be winking. I get confused 'cause I don't know where I stand, and then you smile and hold my hand. Love is kind of crazy with a spooky little girl like you. Spooky. Now we strum. Someday to stop this little game that you were playing, I'm gonna tell you all the things my heart's been dying to be saying. We'll just take it out. Just like a ghost, you've been haunting my dreams, so I'll propose on Halloween. Love is kind of crazy with a spooky little girl like you. Spooky, oops. Love is kind of crazy with a spooky little girl like you. My mistake. Spooky. So tell me, let me stop recording.